Hello student, how's you all are? I hope you all are well at home and enjoying the study. So student, today we will discuss about the chapter 12 verbs. So student, I would like to inform you that you have already learned about the verbs in the chapter 3rd part of the speech. It is the third part of the speech from the 8th part of the speech of English grammar. So student, let's start the chapter. Read these sentences. Varun is talking to Soumya. I do my works every day. So student, in both sentences, underline words tell us what the Varun and I is doing or do. So this means is talking and do is a verb, doing verbs. Is talking and do is a doing verbs. So it is also called the action verbs. So student, now read these sentences. Veena is an intelligent girl. Mihir was happy. So student, here the underlined word shows what the Veena and Mihir tell us about the Veena and Mihir. So the state of both of them. So student, this means is and was is being verbs. So student, now read these sentences. The chair has 4 legs. Meena had a pink dress. So here the underlined word shows what the chair and Meena possess. So this means the word has and had is the verbs showing possession. So student, let's see the definition of the verbs. A verbs is used to denote what a person, thing or animal does, what a person, animal or thing is, or what a person, animal or thing has. So student, this is the definition of the verbs, and let's read about in detail about the verbs. Let's know more about the verbs. So first is doing verbs, action verbs. So student, an action verb describes what someone or something is doing. It's also called the main verbs. For example, eat. So student, let's see the picture. What he is doing? Student, after seeing the picture, what we observe? We observe that he is eating. So here eating is an action verbs. So student, let's see the another picture. What they are doing? Seeing the picture, we observe that they are playing. So let's see the another picture. What they are doing? Dancing here. So let's see the another picture. What she is doing? Singing. So student, these verbs have different forms to indicate present, past and future times. For example, present, I eat. Past, I ate. Future, I will eat. So student, let's see the helping verbs. Student, helping verbs. A helping verb works together with the main verbs. For example, she is living. So is here helping verb and leaving is main verb. I have finished my work. So have is helping verb and finished is main verb. So student, helping verb is not the main verb. Action verb is a main verbs. Both verbs mixed together verb phrase. As I have told you that helping verbs and main verbs makes the verb phrase. For example, here is helping verb and leaving is main verb. So both are verb phrase. This is called as verb phrase. Be verbs. Be verbs are is, am, are, was, were, will be, shall be. These verbs denote be. For example, we use in present is, am, are. For example, she is an intelligent girl. So here is be verb. In past tense, was, were. For example, I was unwell last week. So here was is be verb. Future will be, shall be. So for example, I will be there soon. So here will be is be verbs. Have verbs. Have verbs are have, has, had, will have and shall have. These are the verbs that show possession. It's used in different form. In present, it use have and has. For example, I have a book. In past, we use had. For example, he had 2 children, 2 adopted children already. In future, we use will have and shall have. I shall have success. So student, object of a verb. Read these sentences. Tarun loves cricket. Meena scolded Veena. So in first sentence, cricket is the answer to the question Tarun loves what? So cricket is the object of the verb loves. So in second sentence, Veena is the answer to the question Veena scolded whom? So Veena is the object of the verb scolded. So student, remember that object is the answer of the question what or whom. So student, I want to say that remember that verbs is an important part of a sentence. Without verb, we cannot make a sentence. So in this video, we have learned about the verbs and more about the verbs. For example, we learn about the action and doing verbs and be verbs, helping verbs, have verbs. So in our next video, we will continue with this chapter 12 verbs. We will learn in that video types of the verbs. So I want to request you that watch the video perfectly and do the work properly.